I saw a new toy today and wanted it right away. I saw my friend's pocket-sized car and wanted to run away with it far. Because I want what I want when I want it. Teacher said that's called jealousy. When I wanna take what you have for me. I saw a new dress and felt like I looked a mess. I just wanted to be seen, looking like a queen. Because I want what I want when I want it. Teacher said that's called jealousy. And I don't wanna take what you have for me. I wanna be kind, the best friend you could find. So when jealousy calls my name, I'm not gonna give it praise or fame. 'Cause even though